Hello dear friends. Today in our review we present you with the creative haircut garcon. Please watch the video selection to the end, and possibly you will find for yourself a favorite, the same haircut model about which you dreamed for a long time and did not decide to make for different reasons. Garcon, this haircut which suits all girls and women. She has been popular for many years. Fashionistas love to experiment with their appearance. Having made a fashionable garcon haircut, many of the fair sex have opted for it for many years. It can transform the appearance so much that its owner will acquire a unique image. Garcon haircut variations are very diverse, but all of them are distinguished by sophistication and originality. In creating a stylish hairstyle, hairdressers use combinations of several types of haircuts. Let's look at exactly what types of garcon haircut stylists offer for the upcoming season. Classic, performed in several versions. Each fashionista can choose for herself one or another look that will make her irresistible. At the heart of the classic garcon haircut style is the short hair length of the entire hairstyle. Stylists, taking into account the type of face, often offer to make an elongated version. They strictly monitor that when cutting there are no sharp differences in the length of the strands. Many fans of the classic garcon prefer bangs. In their opinion, they give the whole female appearance sophistication and charm. Bangs are made in different styles: torn bangs, graduated options, straight bangs, oblique, ultra-short garcon. In this variation, the length of the strands is insignificant, it can reach 3 centimeters. With such short hair, there can be no question of graduation or thinning. Bangs have an arched shape. The hairstyle does not require special care or many hours of trips to fashion salons, where you need to leave a lot of money. To create a stylish effect of negligence, you can only tousle your hair and apply hairspray, which will fix the desired shape. With an ultra-short garcon, which brave girls and women with the right proportions of the face can afford, it is important to choose the right shade of hair. Blue-eyed beauties with an oval face type, dyeing their hair in a pearl shade, look charming and elegant. Garcon can be changed with the help of certain types of installation. This haircut is perfect for girls and women. She is able to rejuvenate the image, and make it fresh and attractive. A chic haircut allows a woman to become even younger and beautiful. Garcon perceives any bangs. This allows you to choose a haircut and bangs for a certain type of face. Haircut garcon with bangs. Hair with bangs is loved by most women, regardless of age and type of face. It makes the image fresher and younger and helps to create unique images with a variety of hairstyling. The tip of such a haircut is that by choosing the right version of it, you can adjust the proportions of the face. Haircut garcon on one side. Stylists recommend this type of haircut for girls and ladies with a square or round face type. Elongated strands from one side focus on themselves, therefore, make the haircut more fun and attractive. Garcon is a non-trivial, but very stylish haircut for brave girls and women. For all WHO love change style and creativity, it is the garcon haircut that does the incredible power of transformation. Every girl and lady with such a hairstyle looks luxurious and seductive. Women of different ages choose a versatile and simple haircut. It is suitable for hair of any quality and shape of the face. Garcon can be made both ultra-short and romantically elongated. Numerous styling tools will lay curls in any style and combine this hairstyle with the most original bow. The easiest way is to style the haircut with a hairdryer, a large round brush, and foam. The shortest hairstyles can be done carelessly. For businesswomen, smooth styling with neat bangs or with no bangs is more appropriate. Longer haircuts according to the technique of garcon will require more time and styling products should stock up. Regardless of the length of the hair, you need to pre-wet. Next, apply the foam. Beforehand, you need to dial it in your hands and rub it between your fingers. Careless stacking allows simple drying with directional hot air from various directions. In this case, the hair will appear bulkier and thicker. The versatility of the garçon is obvious. It is worn by young girls and mature ladies, owners of any shape in combination with a properly selected bang. Also, the hairstyle will allow using many types of coloring. The only drawback that can be considered is that this hairstyle should be regularly refreshed. But, on the other hand, it is wonderful. It is possible to add something new to your bow every month. Dear beauties, creating selections, we sincerely wish you beauty and happiness, and let all your dreams come true. Thank you for watching the video review to the end. The best thanks from you. Subscribe to our channel, put like, and sharing the video with friends and family. Click on the bell not to miss new videos. Up to new meetings.